Hey friends, in this video I am going to share to you on how you can boost processor or the CPU speed on your Windows. So please watch this video and follow me for the process. So first method is in the Windows search bar, type here edit power plan. Best match, click on that, edit power plan. Then here you will find this option, change advanced power settings. You have to click on that. Then here another window will appear, which is the power options advanced settings. Now click on this drop down menu and then choose high performance. Then you have to click on this processor power management. Click on this plus sign symbol. Then click on the minimum processor state. Now for the minimum processor state on battery, this should be 0 to 5%, and also for the plugged in, this should be 0 to 5%. So let's simply change this. Then for the maximum power state, it should be 100%. So once done, click on apply and then click on OK. Then simply close this. The next method is in the Windows search bar. Type here sysdm.cpl. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Then here in the System Properties window, you have the computer name, Hardware, Advanced System Protection, and the Remote tab. Now you have to click on the Advanced tab, which is the third tab. Performance, Visual Effects, Processor Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. Click on Settings. Now here you have to click on this option, Adjust for Best Performance. And then check this button, Show Thumbnails instead of icons, and then Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts. Click on Apply and then click on OK and then click on OK. The next method is in the Windows search bar. Again, type here Task Manager. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now maximize this. Now you need to look for all the applications running in the background which you are not using. So if there are any applications running in the background that you're not using, then what you'll have to do is you just need to simply end task the process for that. Let's say for example, the Vanguard user mode service, right click and then select end task. Scroll down. You have to do this for all the applications which are running in the background and which you're not using. Example, for the Brave browser, right-click and then select End Task. Also on the left pane, you have here Processes, Performance, App History, and the Startup Apps. Click on the Startup Apps. Then here you have the Startup Applications. Change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the applications or startup applications enabled on your Windows. Then what you'll have to do is you have to disable all the unnecessary startup applications on your Windows. Again, what you'll have to do, you have to disable all the unnecessary startup applications on your Windows. Now, I have disabled all the unnecessary startup application in my Windows. So what you'll have to do is just simply make a right click and then select disable. Again, right click and then select disable. Now once done, just simply close all of these windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. And once you have restarted your Windows, then you will see the magic. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.